One of the greatest parts of being out boating or being around the water is you never know what to expect. You're always going to see some crazy things, and sometimes those crazy experiences are going to include encounters with wildlife. Sometimes they'll be absolutely amazing, incredible experiences, and other times, well, they'll be unexpected, slap you in the face wake-up calls. But one thing's for sure, every animal encounter you see out on the water is probably going to be a little bit different, but we're going to go ahead and explore some of those today. Welcome back, guys, to this week's episode of Boneheaded Boaters of the Week. Now, obviously, one of the most common animal encounters you'll see on the water is when you actually head out on your watercraft looking to encounter animals, whether it be through fishing or possibly through a sightseeing tour. More than likely, if you're doing these things, you're going to run into an animal at some point in time. You always have to remember, though, this is the animal's home, and something that seems like a fun, exciting experience can quickly turn into a dangerous one if you're not careful. But some of the more fun animal experiences you'll have on the water are those ones that show up unexpectedly. Now, of course, it's not going to be just humans who enjoy meeting other animals out there in the water. If you've got pets, they're going to add to the excitement of animal encounters as well.
Gracie! 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 She jumped it.
Animal encounters on the water are always interesting because you never know exactly how they're going to end, and they don't always go the way you think they'll go. But still, humans, we take the cake. We find ways to utilize animals out on the water in ways many of us would never even imagine. I mean, of course, we think we're going to get out there and go water skiing or something. We need a boat. Nah, not necessarily. You just need enough horsepower to make it work. Now, while a lot of human and animal interactions out on the water will lead to some incredible experiences, nothing still tops actually experiencing nature at its finest, where you're witnessing animal-to-animal encounters in their natural habitat while two animals interact with each other.
That did not sound well. Oh, the penguin's still... Go, penguin!
Here we can see these people on a whale watching tour are witnessing two orca whales try and hunt down a penguin, but this penguin's doing everything it can to get away, including possibly trying to join one of the crews. Here we can see the penguin successfully finds its way on board the vessel.
The penguin is in the boat!
He's in the boat! What are we going to do with him?
Well, I don't know. Save him!
While every animal encounter will be a little bit unique to the situation, the one thing you always have to remember is be cautious around animals. There are still plenty of dangerous situations that occur with animals out on the water. You always have to be aware of your surroundings and their surroundings. And in fact, we don't need a whole lot of help to create dangerous situations on the water, as can be seen on this channel all the time. As humans, we're out there doing dangerous things all the time on our own. And in fact, this is probably still the most amusing water animal encounter, which is encountering other humans on the water and seeing the things that they do. Many times when we watch these images back, we realize how easy it is for us to find ourselves getting into a little bit of mischief out there on the water. And a lot of the times when we really look back hard at these images, we realize how sometimes common sense is just lost, and we just can't seem to get out of our way.
I don't think so. It didn't work the last time, so yeah, just go back there.
I mean, I do realize that sometimes we're out there on the water just trying to have fun, but fun doesn't always end well. In fact, sometimes it can turn into extremely dangerous situations. This is one of the most dangerous situations on the water. A vessel sinking. Here you'll see the guy on the right actually gets sucked under from the pressure of the boat going down. He pops back up right here in a very fortunate situation. Or sometimes we just get caught out there doing things we know we shouldn't do. Like here, I can't believe anybody actually thought this was a good idea. Now, of course, not everything that happens out on the water bad comes from loss of common sense. Sometimes things just don't go as planned. I mean, that's part of life. It's going to happen. Sometimes you'll be doing the exact thing you think you're supposed to be doing, and things will just turn at the last second on you. Even when the airbags deploy, sometimes you just gotta roll with the punches and live with the lessons learned. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boneheaded Boaters of the Week. If you ever see anything crazy happening out on your waterways, be sure to hit me up on Facebook or Instagram and let me know, and you might see your stories over here. Just like Miami Boat Ramps, Pablo Beckdorf, GTA Outdoors, Luis Rodriguez, David Klein, Paul Satt, Kevin Gimbard, Captain Ron, and Ricardo Kuka did this week. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.